Hello traders, welcome to FxMapa. In this video you will learn the powerful indicators. Who are wanting to learn an amazing strategy, please don't skip any part of video, as you are going to learn advanced trading trick today. In this video you will learn the powerful indicator of Ichimoku cloud. This indicator is simple and profitable, and parabolic at advanced level. Today we will discuss about this indicator. We assure you will like this indicator's performance on live chart. The Ichimoku cloud is a collection of technical indicators that show support and resistance levels, as well as momentum and trend direction. The parabolic SAR is used to get idea about stock's trend direction. We first get to know the parabolic SAR indicator. How does the parabolic SAR indicator work? This indicator tells us about the change of direction and reversal of trend. The candlesticks below the parabolic SAR indicator called bearish area, and the candlesticks above the parabolic SAR indicator called bullish area. How everyone else use this indicator is when they are in bullish area, they simply buy and sell when they are in bearish area. This is wrong way of trading, and will result in loss. Let's tell me how to trade with parabolic SAR indicator in our way. We will use Ichimoku cloud and parabolic SAR indicators magical combination to filter signals and increase accuracy of our strategy. We will first put the Ichimoku cloud with the parabolic SAR indicator. Why do we use the Ichimoku cloud indicator? Because the Ichimoku cloud helps us understand support and resistance trends and momentum. Let's learn how to trade with Ichimoku cloud. If the candlesticks are above the Ichimoku cloud, then we only want to take long positions. If the candlesticks are down from the Ichimoku cloud, then we only want to take short positions. When the conversion line crosses the baseline, and with it the market is above the Ichimoku cloud, we will take a long position. One thing we must remember is that if there are candlesticks inside the Ichimoku cloud, then we should not take any trade. Let's discuss risk to reward ratio of this strategy. For traders not aware of this concept, let me explain basics of risk to reward ratio. The risk to reward ratio indicate the prospective reward an investor can earn for every dollar they risk on an investment. In this strategy we have considered 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio. So we risk $1 for every time we take trade with target profit $1.5. Also we need to discuss another important concept before diving to real trades examples. As we have discussed risk to reward ratio, fixing a stop loss is also very important aspect, and there is no meaning of risk to reward ratio until we fix stop loss. So in our strategy we will keep stop loss at last high of Ichimoku cloud and sell trade, and last low of Ichimoku cloud and buy trade. From there we will keep TP as per risk to reward ratio. For example, if our SL is 100 pips, then we will keep target at 150 pips. Let us now see the live example. As we can see here, conversion line of Ichimoku cloud crossed the baseline of Ichimoku cloud and candles are above Ichimoku cloud. Also we can parabolic indicator also indicate by signal, so all our conditions are fulfilled here. Now we will take buy trade. Let's see what happens to our trade. Now our trade running in profit. Now we have won the trade. Let's find the next trade available. As we can see here, conversion line of Ichimoku cloud crossed the baseline of Ichimoku cloud and candles are above Ichimoku cloud. Also we can parabolic indicator also indicate by signal, so all our conditions are fulfilled here. Now we will take buy trade. Let's see what happens to our trade. Now our trade running in profit. Now we have won the trade. Let's find the next trade available. As we can see here, conversion line of Ichimoku cloud crossed the baseline of Ichimoku cloud and candles are above Ichimoku cloud. Also we can parabolic indicator also indicate buy signal, so all our conditions are fulfilled here. Now we will take buy trade. Now our trade running in profit. Now we have won the trade. Let's find the next trade available. As we can see here, conversion line of Ichimoku cloud crossed the baseline of Ichimoku cloud. And candles are below Ichimoku cloud. Also we can see parabolic SAR indicator also indicates sell signal, so all our conditions are fulfilled here. Now we will take sell trade. Let's see what happens to our trade. Now our trade running in profit. Now we have won the trade. Now let me show you how you can locate this indicators on TradingView. And all settings we have used for this indicators, so that you follow well this strategy. If you really learned something new in video, please then do subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive notification of new exciting and profit-making strategies and keep making money with us. Thank you for your valuable time watching our video. I will speak to you soon again with a new secret profit-making strategy. Thank you and goodbye.